Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Apple Pay account restriction. After having your account locked or restricted, the first thing to do is to go to your Apple Pay cash card in Wallet and provide a verification of your identity. There are different ways to do this, depending on the device you are using. On iPhone, go to Wallet and tap on Apple Pay cash card. On iPad, open Settings, then Wallet and Apple Pay. Then just tap on the Apple Pay cash card. On Apple Watch, launch Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. After that, just tap on Apple Pay cash card. Next, you should see an option asking you to verify your identity. Just tap on it. Lastly, follow the on-screen steps to completely verify your identity. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.